Hello students, I am Shahajit sir, working in Sri Chodeshwari Prashala, Solapur. Today I am going to present very important section for the students of 10th standard, that is the poetry section. In poetry section, the first poem is of the 10th class is 1.1, a teenager's prayer. Students, in this video, I am going to talk with you regarding only chit chat activities. Chit chat activities are very important for the dialogue writing. That's why I am going to talk with you regarding chit chat activities. Students, 1.1, a teenager's prayer. First poem, warming up, chit chat. Form groups of 5 to 6 and discuss. Give a rating of 1 to 5 to each of the following. Now, the question is given to you. When you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? Students, all the things we do when a time comes to take important decision in our life. Sometimes we consult parents, elders, sometimes we contact friends for advice, sometimes we pray to God for guidance, sometimes we think deeply in silence, sometimes ask your teacher for help, sometimes we toss a coin to decide. या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपण करतो, परंतु इथं आपला रेटिंग द्यायचं, रेटिंग क्रम द्यायचा आहे. व्हॉट विल यू डू? जनरली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी प्रे टू गॉड फॉर गायडन्स. पहिल्यांदा आपण हे करतो, ओ गॉड गाइड मी, शो मी द वे, शो मी द सोल्युशन, गिव्ह मी प्रॉपर गायडन्स, व्हॉट शुड आय डू, व्हॉट आय शुडंट डू. Then we consult parents, elders. Sometimes then we contact friends for advice. Then ask your teacher for help. Then think deeply in silence. And last, toss a coin to decide. This is the rating that generally we do when we have to take an important decisions. This is the first activity of chit chat. Now move on. Activity number 2. In poetry, very often there are lines in which the poet seems to talk directly to an absent person, an abstract idea or thing or object. कवितेमध्ये कवी कधी कधी प्रत्यक्षपणे तो ॲब्सेंट पर्सनला एखादी ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट आयडिया असेल, एखादी वस्तू असेल, त्याला तो डायरेक्ट ॲड्रेस करतो, डायरेक्ट बोलतो. when such thing happens, जेव्हा असं घडतं, तेव्हा such a tactic device used by the poet is the figure of speech. It is called apostrophe. So apostrophe is the new figure of speech for the students of 9th and 10th. In this figure of speech, the poet seems to talk directly to absent person, abstract idea or thing or object. For example, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Death, where is thy sting? O caveman, I wish I could live with you. So here poet addresses to little star, poet address to death, poet address to caveman. ऍबसेंट पर्सनला ऍड्रेस करणं, एखाद्या ऍबस्ट्रॅक्ट आयडियाला ऍड्रेस करणं, एखाद्या वस्तूला ऍड्रेस करणं, दिस फिगर ऑफ स्पीच इज कॉल्ड ॲज एपोस्ट्रोफी. नाउ कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग creating examples of apostrophe of your own. We have to complete these lines. A. O life, how mysterious you are. Or we can say, O life, how could I defeat you? O life, how challenging you are. We can frame, we can make creations like this. B. Dear God, please give me success in the exam. Please give me success in the exam. Or dear God, please suggest everyone to live lovingly and friendly with one another. We can make like this. Books, you are my true friends. Or books, you are real treasure of all knowledge. Then exams. Exams, I wish. Exams, I wish you should come once in a year. Or exams, I wish you would never come in our life. E. Oh beautiful sky, bless us with cheerful showers. Or oh beautiful sky, don't hide the moon when it's dark. So poet address to life, God, books, exams, sky. When poet addresses or talk directly to absent person, abstract idea or a thing or object, this tactic or device is called a figure of speech, and this figure of speech is apostrophe. So students, in this video just I have covered chit chat activities. So students, subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos with maximum students. Thank you so much. In the next video, we will see about the explanation of the poem A Teenager's Prayer. Thank you so much.